Magic Art.
Hello friends, welcome to Magic Art. How to draw simple cute lipstick, easy drawing and coloring for kids. Hey kids, today we are drawing a cute lipstick, no makeup needed, just your pencil. Let's create a lipstick so cute even your crayons will blush. Step by step, we will turn simple shapes into a stylish lipstick. Ready to shine? This lipstick is so adorable, it might try to smile at you. No beauty kit needed, just follow me and become a drawing artist today. If you can draw a line and curve, you can make this super cute lipstick. Oops, my lipsticks look so happy. Let's draw one together. Let's design tiny lipstick with big style step by step. By the end of the video, your drawing will look ready for fashion show. Grab your color and let's make a lipstick that shines brighter than real one.